Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my Mio planner, and it is for the week of May 2nd through the 8th. And I am going to be using the teeny florals from the Happy Planner. I kind of think this sticker book is so perfect for this planner, as this has such a limited space when it comes to planning if you want to be able to still make it functional. So welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me. I hope you guys will have fun. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and cover the ingredients to prep. So that's kind of where I'm coming in first. And as I said, this is the first week I'm going to be actually incorporating a wellness planner into my lineup. So I'm just trying something different. So I am adding so I'm going to have wellness, and I'm going to have a meal planner. So I actually can sit down and a meal plan in here, which is kind of fun. So let's go ahead and make these dots. I'll be using them for some cool ideas, I think. And keep in mind that in future I probably won't be doing this dots. When I was filming this, I did not realize that I'm going to be adding another planner in my lineup. It was kind of spur of the moment thing that happened for me. I ordered a planner on sale, and it just so happened to work out that it was perfect for when I needed, and it's neutral and I wanted to try it out, so that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and add at the end of this video the spread that I made in my first wellness planner, so you guys can see, as well as this one as always. So I hope you will enjoy that. So I'm just adding a quick little quote because I like having quotes in this planner a lot. Actually, I like having quotes in all of my planners. It's something that I really enjoy. Just gonna move this a little and let's continue. Okay, so let's add some more flowers as always. And these are clear, so because they are clear, I'm adding these really lovely florals. But before I do that, I go ahead and kind of remove the lines with a white pen. And this is Ohuhu Art Gel Pen from Amazon. Those are linked down below in my favorites, as well as it is in my Amazon favorites. So if you guys follow the link, you'll be able to find those. They came in multiple colors, and I ordered them for my first blackout spread, and I just continued using it because it's so good. It's really so good. So I'm just adding these tiny florals, and that's what the book is called, and it's named perfectly because that's exactly what they are. They bring me a lot of joy because they're kind of fun to look at. Like, look at these, aren't they so cute? And so let's add that one. I'm gonna add part of that one and just cut it. like so. And then just added and made this bigger so it's fitting perfectly in. Okay, a few more things and we should be done. Just adding tiny little I think I would like to add some quotes maybe, and if I add quotes I should be done. Let's take a look. Today is a new beginning. Okay, and I am done with the spread. I think it looks pretty good. And this other quote that you kind of can see it because of the glare says the grass is greener where you water it, which is 100% correct. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you very, very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye!